gosh. Beep. What is it, guys? We're going to another video, and today I am with this little fat kid. Ah! My butt. I'm gonna catch you on film and then show Mama. Quit.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's ugly. Oh, I'm black now. You're black. Ooh. That's about where I was. So. Wait, where is he? This little fat kid over here, being rude, just kicked me and he hurt his balls.